geographical features in many parts of western Odisha create challenges for agrarian livelihoods. Thousands of smallholder families find it difficult to sustain their lives and livelihoods. Many of them are compelled to seek alternative livelihood options for survival.
2002 मसीहारू आमे आमर इन किछि काम कबार नि थई जे आमे काना करनु ई सरदार माने जेन ई टूटा बनावर लागि आगे आसुतिन ना गागा के जे पहले हमके सरदार उठे जे चलो हेन तो मोटा पैसा मिलु छे बोले जो हेन ई टूटा बनाबो आराम से 6 मास पाट कटाबो से न आ फिर आसबो घर के
धारुंधी करूतिनु काम करतिनु छुआ पिला देखुतिनु से छुआ पिला भी काम कर दिएनी एंता जोर मुड़ धरले भी सुजा पतर दिएनी किछि नि बटिका उठे दिए आरु काम करिनी गले गाली दी गा कथा भी मने पडुथिला।
To address these developmental issues, the government of Odisha initiated a special program called State Support to Mahatma Gandhi NREGS in October 2019. The aim of this transformational initiative is to secure the livelihoods of such vulnerable households. In the first phase, this program was launched in 20 identified blocks of Bargarh, Bolangir, Kalahandi and Naupara districts. A special provision for an additional 200 days of work with extra wages over and above the provisions of the Mahatma Gandhi Narega was provided from the state fund.
State support to MGNREGS scheme is a transformational initiative of Government of Odisha. It is implemented in 30 focus blocks across 9 districts. Additional wage component to match the minimum wage as per labor laws, as well as 200 days additional work is provided to the interested and households who are demanding that work in these blocks. In addition to helping these families and arresting distress migration, this initiative is also able to build a lot of durable assets.
जेहेतु आमर पहाड़िया अंचल अच्छी आमर रीच टू वैली एक्टिविटीज मध्य आमर निया होची सेथिरे आमर मेनली वाटर स्कार्सिटी को दूर करबा पई वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर को फोकस करा होची तापई आमे मॉनिटरिंग मध्य वीकली मॉनिटरिंग होची मंथली आमर मीटिंग होची फील्ड विजिट होची आमर एनजीओज मध्य काम करूचंती मेनली प्रधान एनजीओ तांकर स्टाफ आमर एठी अछंती आईएनआरएम एक्सपर्ट.
Extensive awareness campaigns were conducted across the villages with the support of the Culture Department, using methods such as wall painting, local songs and street plays. Specially designed IEC materials were used to explain the different provisions of the program, as well as the scope to create different durable INRM assets to support the livelihoods of vulnerable families. Pradhan, a national-level civil society organization with expertise in INRM, livelihoods and GIS-based planning, serves as a technical support agency for this initiative, in addition to providing hand-holding support to field functionaries. It also provides necessary technical assistance to the Panchayati Raj and Drinking Water Department at the state, district and block levels.
डिस्ट्रेस माइग्रेशन इनिशिएटिव रे बेसिकली प्रधान रो मुख्य भूमिका होची जे जो ग्राउंड लेवल फंक्शनस जेमती जीआरएस मेड्स एपीओ एंड जेई अछंती तांकर केमती दक्षता एंड ट्रेनिंग कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग स्किल को बिल्ड करबा
जो दिन रो एनआरजीएस काम आरंभ हेची से दिन तो लोक आ बाहर को नि जीवा दिन को 352 टंका दिया जाउची आ मास्टर रोल हिसाब अटेंडेंस दिया जाउची.
By building climate-resilient, durable livelihood assets, this initiative not only creates employment opportunities but also sustainably enhances natural resources, providing year-round additional income.
प्रत्येक जमी गोटे 5% मॉडल से करिकी सेठी से वर्षा टाइम रे धान कम से कम से बहुत भल धान अमल कले आ भल सेठी कोबी चाष सूर्यमुखी चाष भी लोग करते आग डिमांड आसु नाला जे आम लोक बुझे काम करूँ ए डिमांड आम
जमी मरामती काम करी आम क्षेत्र में चारिपार्श्व पूरा समतल करी समान भाव में पानी मड़े आम फसल करुँ जहाद्वारा आम फसल भल हो फसल भल अमल हो जहाद्वारा आम बहुत खुशी अच्छे ए
3 lakh households like Kapurchan, Pushtam and Hara across 477 Gram Panchayats have benefited from Odisha government's special initiative. Furthermore, over 70,000 left-out households have been identified and included in the program. A research conducted by the Xavier Institute of Management Bhubaneswar reveals a substantial 44% decline in distress-driven migration within the project areas compared to 9% in non-project areas. Additionally, there has been a significant increase in work participation, creation of productive assets, access to irrigation, utilization of created assets. Considering the impact of this initiative, the government of Odisha has also extended this program to 10 more new blocks from November 2023. Currently, this program is implemented across 30 blocks in 9 districts of Odisha, benefiting almost 5 lakh vulnerable households. The coordinated effort between the Panchayati Raj and Drinking Water Department of the Government of Odisha and the civil society organization with a complementary role has begun to address complex multi-dimensional developmental challenges. Such a multi-stakeholder partnership model wherein governments, corporations, philanthropists and CSOs work collaboratively can be replicated across the country and has the potential to address many such developmental challenges.